Hey everyone, welcome back. It's me, Miss Foster, and today I am challenging you to create a still life drawing using only one line. This exercise is called a continuous line drawing, so it's going to be tricky, but you are going to end up with an awesome drawing at the end. So what I want you to do is first arrange a still life with 5, 6, maybe more, depending on how much you want to challenge yourself. Different items, everyday objects that you find, and I want you to arrange them in a way that is interesting to you. So you might have some objects a little taller, some objects shorter. You might have some larger items, some smaller items, and maybe some overlapping. So arrange it somewhere on your desk or your table, wherever you're drawing today, in a way that is interesting to you. Then what I want you to do is I want you to visualize your drawing and then take your pen. I want you to draw with a pen today. Challenge yourself. So there's no erasing. Take your pen, and as soon as your pen hits the paper, you do not pick up your pen until you are completely finished with your drawing. This is a really awesome exercise. You can find other videos on YouTube about this. And it really challenges your brain because we're so used to picking up our writing or our drawing utensil or our coloring utensil when we need to. And for this, I really want you to challenge yourself. Now, if you accidentally pick it up, just put it right back down as soon as you notice, okay? That might happen. That's okay. Not the end of the world. So today, I would like for you to go ahead and make a still life using a single line. So you might notice some lines here connecting my objects, right? Because I didn't pick up my pen. You might also include the horizon line as well. It gets kind of tricky going around the objects to draw that, but challenge yourself. So today, I drew with a Sharpie marker. You can draw with any permanent pen. And then I watercolored on top. So today you're going to need a piece of watercolor paper, a permanent marker, and your watercolors. So go ahead and grab your materials and let's get started. Hey everyone, it's me again, Miss Foster. I'm just here to remind you to hit the subscribe button if you like these videos and you want to see more. I also want to remind you that these videos are created in partnership with Painting Pandas, which is an awesome nonprofit organization here in Austin, Texas, that provides free art instruction and free art supplies to any kid who needs them. If you would like to learn more, donate, or sign up for a live class with me, go ahead and click the link that's in the description below, www.paintingpandas.org. All right, I'll see you next time.